Hi, this is Cat and Dog Canon Challenges. The first one we're going to do is calling all dogs. Doggy, doggy, please don't bark. Meet me at the doggy park. If you cannot find your bone, call me on the telephone. Puppies playing in the park love to run and jump and bark. If they find a juicy bone, they will want to take it home. And the next one is called Cats Are Fine. Calico or